Ahoy there, YouTube. We're working on the 245 today. I'm gonna finally, literally over a year later, do the exhaust. Because this thing drones really bad on the highway. It gives me a headache. I'll kind of give you a quick video of it and showing you how loud it is real quickly. Obnoxious. It's really obnoxious. Let's not even try to pretend. So I'm gonna go run through a quarter wash, get the quarter wash done. I don't know why I'm calling it that. I'm an idiot. But I'm gonna go quick blast it off and then head over to my buddy's place. He's gracious enough to let me use his hoist. Thank you, Tony, in advance. And then hopefully I'll have a quiet Volvo today because that'll be so nice. Then next up I'm gonna do the B cam, timing belt, water pump, 10 other things. Definitely needs a carburetor rebuilt, so I gotta go ahead and get hold of Ike, see if he's still interested in rebuilding it. But anyway, enough chit chatter. Let's go get her on the lift so you can see the exhaust. Alright, we got the Scotia Blue Canadian 245 here on the hoist. We're gonna crawl underneath it and I'll show you the wonderfulness that is the exhaust. So we're looking pretty good along here. Ignore the rust. That's actually factory. And up here, I put a little bit of paste on it. You can kind of see it's working okay, except it's not. And then back here, well, not a lot's happening at all. And then that's going into nothing. This pipe's all cracked, blown out, dented. And then back behind here, it just kind of nothing. Oh, tire in the head. So there's not a lot going on here. So got the kit sitting over here. And I actually think I'm gonna have to go out and get another piece of pipe because sadly this isn't gonna do the whole exhaust like I was hoping it's going to. Sadly, anyway. But might need a couple clamps too, I think. So we'll see what's going on. Anyway, let's get moving. Update time. Sadly, we had to pull the whole manifold off because, ooh, look at that. One exhaust part is like really dark, the other one's not. That's probably fine. Well, this pipe did a splitty. So we're gonna go pull one off the parts car. Fingers crossed it'll actually come off like this one did. So, see what happens. Alrighty, back from a trip to the parts car. Managed to get the old flange off. Have to cut the shield off over here. And hopefully, between one of two cars' exhaust systems and all the other extra shit that I got, we'll be able to make an exhaust of this thing. We'll see. Oh man, you cut right through it.
Kind of expensive.
Looks nice.
It works good. I like it.
Hey! Okay, so.
That's the last thing I
Pull all your finger out working on that piece of shit. Hey! Don't be a hole. Oh, thank goodness.
Wow. I started hitting it. It felt like it was
Yeah,
going to break.
I was like,
oh, God!
Oh.
I'll have to cut it all the way back in.
patch up a little. Ooh, I burned my finger.
Don't touch it.
I didn't try to. A little leak. That's gonna probably wrap this one up for me. As you can hear, there's definitely one spot that's still a little bit leaky. Sadly, the pipe's a little bit wonky right there, so it's gonna have to get welded up, but not a huge deal. I can get that taken care of later. It's, as you can see, pitch black outside, and it's getting a little bit late, so we'll take care of that another day. Yeah, that's gonna probably be it for me today. I think next up I'm gonna be doing water pump, B-cam, a bunch of other little odds and ends and stuff like that, so pretty excited. Can't wait to finish the exhaust up on this thing, so it's super quiet driving on the road. It was really nice for the first like mile that I went, but I'll get it fixed up later. It'll be a little quick, simple weld job, and then be good to go. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for the next Volvo / Toyota related thing. See you guys later.